Hey everyone, welcome to our guide on how to apply for a Temu delivery driver position. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and type temu.com into the search bar. Then hit enter to go to the official Temu site. Next, scroll to the bottom of the page and find the Careers option. Click on it. A new tab will open, showing a list of available jobs. Look for the Delivery Driver job listing. If you don't see the Delivery Driver option, it means Temu is not hiring delivery drivers at the moment. If you do see the option, click on it and carefully read the details about the position. Once you've read all the information, click on the Apply Now button at the bottom and complete the required information. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.